Hi everyone, my name is Rajmal and welcome to Travel Pilot. So today I have such a product that I normally use on all my shoots. So I go shoot with DSLR, mirrorless as well as my phone cameras. As today all phone cameras, mostly all phone cameras shoot good videos. So this is such a product which helps me get high quality and stable shots even with my phone. This is the Go X Pro 3-axis smartphone gimbal by IZI. So I fixed my phone on this. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, I believe. And let me turn this device on. So that came to life. And as you can see that this is stable. This is good. And I can show you the quality of this product. So you can see the quality of this product is top notch. So I've been using this gimbal for the past 2 to 3 months for various shoots which I've been doing. And I can definitely say that the difference between not having a gimbal and hand shooting with a phone is very different. So if you're shooting with your phone without this gimbal, you have to work a lot on post processing. You have to apply stabilizers and all those kinds of things. So once I started using the IZI for my shoots, I just have to take the footage from my phone, upload it to my computer and start editing. So if you look close to the display, the Go X Pro comes with OLED display, which is great for visibility. And in the display, you can see the indicator for battery, and it shows whether you're connected to your Bluetooth. And when you press here, you can see you can go into zoom mode and different functions. So talking about the modes which are there in this device, there is pan follow mode, then there is follow mode, then lock mode, then POV, and there is a special mode which is the DM mode. So I'll explain what these modes will do in detail. So we are in PF mode as of now. And what is PF mode? So you connected your device, you started recording, and you want to pan to left or right. So it is in a smooth way. So if you pan smoothly, the camera, the phone is going to move smoothly to left and right. So that's about pan follow mode. Okay, now I'm going to change this to follow mode. So what is follow mode? Which moves with you. Like you can move the camera and the camera is going to move as fast and as quick as you move, right? So that's about follow mode. Now going to lock mode. Lock mode is something which I normally use when I shoot vertical videos like for YouTube or other content. So what lock mode does is the phone is actually fixed in that axis and it is not going to move even if you run, even if you jump. So as you can see, it is very stable, and in the screen I can see that the focus is on the subject or on the scene which I actually want to shoot. So I normally shoot car videos or shoot off-road videos, and in all those scenarios, what I can do is I can put this in lock mode and keep the camera steady. Even when your car is moving around, your shot is not going to look jittery or moving around. So it is very stable, and I love this mode in this gimbal. Now going to the POV mode. The POV mode is something where you have to show all angles of a shot. So I'm shooting at the camera at the moment. I want to show the table, so it moves with me to the table, and I want to shoot left, it goes left, it goes down. So you can do all kind of movements in this POV mode. And there is a special mode which is going to be this one. So I'm going to activate the DM mode. So what the DM mode does is this gives that cinematic look or the cinematic shot which many cinematographers use, and you don't have to manually do anything. I'm not doing anything. The gimbal is doing its work on its own. So this is a great option if you want that tilting and smooth rotating shots with your phone camera. And there is another mode which you can try. So that is going to be this mode. where you get a 360 of your scene, and you can show the viewers that so you're staying in this location and you want to show all around the location. This is going to be a great option for you. So that's about the modes and other things on this device. So finally, to conclude, should I recommend this to other people or my friends who are planning to shoot on a camera like an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy phone, which are really good cameras at the moment for shooting video? Definitely, yes, for the price for 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, this is going to be a great option for you to buy or purchase this product. And I can guarantee that the difference with and without a gimbal is going to make a lot of difference in your video. So if you're a filmmaker, if you're a vlogger, especially for vloggers, this is going to be really helpful because they're always moving around and taking shots. So they don't have to put a lot of effort later to stabilize their shots. Buy this gimbal and just start shooting and it is going to look great.